Well, when it comes to East Washington Avenue, 2021 has been the deadliest year in at least a decade. And the city of Madison says it's planning a new solution. But as our Tahalil Mahadin explains, community organizers are taking the issue into their own hands.
The city of Madison has consistently been ranked as one of the best cities for cycling in the nation. But members of the group I spoke with today say when you take a global approach to safety on the road, they're not content with being the best of the worst.
We are not the traffic engineers. We are not the road engineers.
Who they are is a group of people who have had enough.
I've had so many close calls. Hardly a week goes by that I don't have some kind of interaction with a car that feels really dangerous, where I thought I might be hit by a car.
After 4 people just this year have been killed on East Washington, this group is asking the city of Madison to take action.
Build streets that are forgiving, where a mistake does not lead to death.
I'm a pedestrian, I'm a cyclist in this city, and I'm really distressed by the number of people who've been killed on East Washington Avenue.
Calling on city leaders to stand by their Vision Zero commitment.
No deaths by 2030, which is an ambitious goal, and so we want to make sure that there really is action.
It needs to be a concrete plan that anyone can look at and question, and that we can all feel good about.
A plan some say, given the racial disparities in enforcement, shouldn't involve more police.
Whenever we ask for more police presence, we're asking for more of that disparity, and I'm not comfortable with that. I don't think it's fine. But on top of that, it's just not a very creative solution, you know? Like, we can't treat this problem as if it's just some drivers behaving badly.
I believe that we can build streets in a way that encourages people to drive safely. I mean, we acknowledge people make mistakes.
District 15 Alderman Grant Foster says since the Zero Initiative was announced in July of last year, the city has been working on a proposal.
There's a lot of work that needs to happen yet. It is not very specific. So if that were the final product, I would not have confidence that we're going to get to 0 deaths in 8 years.
Alderman Foster says people looking to get involved and give feedback on the city's Vision Zero initiative should contact their alderperson to get a copy of the draft and find out when the plan will be in front of the Transportation Policy and Planning Board next.